Imagine that it's the middle of winter, you just got to the reg, and you have a paper that's due in 2 hours.
You notice that your laptop only has a few minutes of battery left. You look into your backpack for your laptop charger.
And you notice that it's not there. You look around and you see a lot of other people that have their laptop chargers, and they're not even using them.
Have you ever been in a situation like that?
Where you need something, and you know other people have it, but you think it's too awkward to just go up to them and ask for it. We think that most of the student population has had this problem before.
My name is Lucy Lee, and I'm currently a second year in the college.
My name is Steve Sun, and I'm also a second year at the college.
And we've come up with an item sharing app that will solve this problem.
Here's how it works.
Prior to using this app, each person will be asked to fill out a form indicating which products he or she has that he or she will be willing to lend out at some point.
After checking into a location, say the reg, you can list items that you have, or if you need something, you can sign in and look for other people that have your item. Since you're already located in the reg, it'll only pull up a list of people that are within your vicinity, so you can get your items very quickly.
If the person gets matched with the item that he or she needs, then he or she can notify the loaner, and the two can meet up to exchange the item.
If somehow you can't find a lender that has the item you need, you can also post a listing as a borrower, and if a lender finds your posting, they can notify you that they have it and they want to make the exchange.
Additionally, people can search through the listings, and they can also exchange goods through that means.
Now you may ask, what incentivizes people to use this program and lend out their items?
A point economy will be implemented. Each person, upon registering, would receive approximately 10 points.
Every time you loan an item out, you receive points, and every time you borrow an item, you have to spend these points.
So the more you loan, the more you can borrow.
Additionally, if you spend all your points and you find you still need to borrow more items, you can purchase more points, and this, in addition to advertisements, can provide a revenue stream for the app.
Another potential problem we saw with this app was how do we guarantee that the item loaned out will be returned promptly and in the same condition as it was lent out?
The app will contain a person assurance rating system, much like the product reviews that you find on Amazon or eBay.
So for example, let's say I lend Steve a laptop charger.
And let's say I'm not the greatest borrower and I return the laptop charger an hour late and maybe I nicked it on a table or something.
So obviously I'm not very happy with Steve, and I would probably never lend to Steve again. So I'll go onto the app and give him a really poor rating.
And this means that in the future, when people see my poor rating, they'll be less likely to lend to me, or they'll charge a higher number of points before they're willing to loan their item.
So far, this app works great for products.
Items like laptop chargers, textbooks, calculators, even vacuums.
And we can also see it easily expanding into the exchange of services as well.
This would include things like tutoring or car rides.
We believe that this app would be a great addition to UChicago life, reduce student stress loads, and utilize the underused resources that students already have.